That's where the piggy goes?
Cat.
Good job.
Daddy just hurt that now. Ooh.
Does the ducky go there? I think
Yeah.
that's Ducky with some horse feet. Where does that go? With the horse feet.
No one tells it.
Good job. What else?
Here. Up here. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Good job. Now what else do you have to put in?
Yeah, with that here.
Does he go right there?
No, no.
Over there.
Sippy.
Do you have to turn him maybe? How do you turn him? Yeah. Good job. And then? What's next?
Yeah, you ducky.
Yellow ducky. Good job, Addie.